see what you drew. Can I see your arms? Oh, let's get close. Yeah, we colored all over the arms. Wow. Were we supposed to color on the paper?
Draw.
But instead we colored on our arms?
Draw.
You draw.
No, draw.
You draw. Show Mommy what you can draw. What do you want to draw? Want to draw a mouse? What does the mouse say?
Wait.
What does the mouse eat?
It's cheese.
Cheese? Should we draw some cheese? What does the mouse say after he eats the cheese?
Mouse.
Does it go in his mouth? And then where does it go? His tummy? Can you say hi?
Hi.
See Nick. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Do you like the colors? Yes, I like the color. Look at my arms.
Oh no.
Oh, you colored the frog. What does a frog do? You colored his nose. Where are his eyes? Very good nose. Where's your nose? Where's your nose? Hey, Charlie. You say hi, Graf?
No.
No? You say bye? See you soon?
Bye, see you.